been really like in my feelings, and usually when I'm in my feelings I like to paint or draw or do something creative to get all these emotions out. So it's been sad boy hours, all hours of the day. So I thought, let's paint, let's do something fun. And I was like, well, I'm bad at painting, so why don't we follow a Bob Ross tutorial? Maybe he can teach me how to paint and maybe something will come out of it. So I'm following along to Bob Ross's Island in the Wilderness. Let's see how it goes. These graphics are great. The Joy of Painting with Bob Ross.
Hello, I'm Bob Ross, and I'd like to welcome you to the 29th Joy of Paintings. Let's start with over 2 inches.
Haven't done my white yet. Wait. Oh, I don't have a professional mixer platter thing, whatever those are called. So I wrapped cardboard in tinfoil. So hopefully it works. I don't know. Now that my canvas is a thin coat of white, let's keep going. Okay, I don't have crimson. I only bought white, black, cyan, yellow, and magenta because I figured I can make every color with those colors, so why spend the money on the correct shades? So I don't have crimson, I have magenta, so maybe I'll mix this with black and we'll see what happens. Okay, this is already such a mess. My hand is covered in white. My bottle is now covered in white paint. This is just going downhill from the start. This is not going good.
Dropped in just a little more part.
This is so bad.
Let's see what else Bob has to say.
Once again, just happily cut.
Oh God. Bob Ross, I need you here, not in the screen.
Who can say where the road goes?
Oh my God. Woo! That was so close to getting on my carpet. Oh my God. 2 bad things have happened so far. Alright, something's happening. Something big is coming now. Comes in 3s. Bob, I'm not done with the sky. No happy clouds. No happy little clouds.
Oh, my glue is eating on my paint like you said.
Alright, my dude, where are we putting these happy little clouds? Wait, Bob. Wait. I need to do my happy clouds. I think I'm using the wrong brush. Oh.
Who can say where? Who can? Who can say where? Who can say?
Oh my God, stay. That doesn't look anything like what he has, but darken up the corners.
Other side. That's really the most
Wait,
part.
I wanted to beat the devil with you, Bob. Rob.
Rob Ross.
My whole ocean's dark, and he said to just darken up the corners. My whole thing is dark. Okay. Well, now I get to beat the devil out of the brush, so that's fun. Now I get to beat the devil out of the brush. But now my easel's all dirty. His laugh after he beats. Bob, I'm not ready. He says take care of it and treasure it. Gotta treasure the space. I think my favorite thing about Bob Ross is how much he laughs at himself. Like, I admire that about him. Like, he'll just say things and he'll just laugh. I mean, yeah, you do you, Bob. I wish you could see a side-by-side comparison right now. Like, his painting is so, it looks so different than mine. But I guess that's the point of his videos. Like, you create your own world, but like, I just wish mine looked a little bit like his. Like a little bit. are sweating because I'm so nervous. Like, I don't want to mess up.
Name the happy little tree.
I don't have any of the brushes that he said except for the 2-inch one. So I kind of just made the tree with like this tiny little brush, and it's not the best, but something's there. So that's good. Yeah, so he said that we're gonna have some fun on the other side. So let's see what kind of fun he wants. Okay, Bob Ross, that's a big tree. Oh boy.
Bob, why did you make me do this?
I am not brave.
It's just like throw up.
Oh man. I wasn't supposed to put all the trees all the way to the edge. I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna make this work. Bob, you can't tell me that I have to do this. I need
Instructions.
happy little leaves. I'm glad the bushes are on this side because the side is looking a little rough. It's going a little bright yellow on the bushes. I don't think so. Oh, I haven't done my bushes yet, and you're on the happy little rocks. My happy bushes are a success. Wow! I did not think that was going to come out good. Bob Ross, you are teaching me. He's motivating me. He's saying I can do this. Okay, well that's the video. I completed my first Bob Ross painting. Let's get a close up.